Alright, in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up a Google Ads account if you don't already have one. I am on the Google Ads dashboard, which is just ads.google.com. Now, if you see this claim your offer or some sort of offer to claim, I highly recommend utilizing this. If it's not at the top of the page like it is here, just scroll down. It's usually somewhere in the middle. Again, there's another section here where you can actually claim more, right? So depending how much you spend initially, it'll adjust. For this one, it's spend $1,500 within the first 60 days. And you get $1,500 in ad credit. It's super fruitful and honestly kind of a no-brainer. For the sake of this video, I'll go ahead and use the claim now offer. If the offer isn't relevant or it's not active at the time of you setting up your account, you can also just hit start now in the upper right corner. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and click claim now. You'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. Luckily, it's going to sometimes allow you to skip campaign creation. For this one though, it's not letting me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click create your first campaign. But again, if it lets you skip the campaign creation, I highly recommend doing it. But for those of you that are forced to actually set up a campaign, I would say just put together some sort of bogus campaign, right? Just use whatever ad copy, numbers, website you want, because we don't care about the campaign we're setting up here. We're just gonna skip right through it, breeze right through it, because we don't need this campaign. So whenever you see the skip option, just go ahead and click skip, because we don't need any of this. And I'm just gonna skip through as much as I can, and eventually it'll actually let me leave campaign creation. If it doesn't pop up for you like this, again, just go ahead and actually kind of put in bogus information until you get to the final page, which is going to be this. Now this is where we actually set up the account settings and the billing info. So for this, make sure you choose your proper time zone, country, and currency, and then click continue. Now, if you did select an offer, you should see your offer here present. If you did select an offer and you do not see the offer present here with a green bar that says something like this, then you might have closed the tab or done something incorrect and the offer won't get applied. So I highly recommend going back and reclaiming the offer. But definitely make sure your offer is here if you claimed it. Otherwise, make sure all these settings are proper and you'll actually continue by creating a payments profile with Google, which is basically just gonna ask for your name, your organization, and then obviously a payment of billing. Most people use credit card. I think you can also use bank transfers, but definitely set up your payments profile here. That is required before you proceed with setting up ads. And then go ahead and right here where it says want personalized guidance from Google Ads, go ahead and select no. And then once everything is finalized, click submit. Once you get to this screen here, all is said and done. And now we can proceed with actually setting up our first Google Ads campaign.